Hey, how y'all doing? I was going to bring this to you today. It's just a simple little project, but everybody needs hot water in an emergency situation, and most of us keep a generator, so or some kind of solar unit. But anyway, you can take just a 16 ounce or 20 ounce soda bottle and a hot water heating element, preferably one of the top units. But anyway, you want the 120 volt 1500 watt, and the tops are shorter. The reason I recommend that one, that way you can use it in more different places. And you'll probably need this is a 125 volt 10 amp switch. That way it'll hold the power safely on and off. But you're definitely going to want a good one of those. And of course you want to just line out the top and the bottom here and just cut them out. Probably, I think that's about, let's see, that's about 3/4 from the lock rim, safety rim, and that one's 1 inch. Anyway, when you get done, it'll look like this. Anyway, I was going excuse me, I'm going to show you this from the start. You just want to put these on, and it doesn't matter which way you do it. It's what I call a continuity connect, so it's not going to really matter which side's hot or neutral. Just make sure you got them connected right and tight. That's all you need. Let's see, then you want to cut out this. There you go. Should look like that. And then you just want to slide this in there like so. I almost forgot, but before we do this, if you got any old sandpaper laying around, just take and rough up this edge. Make sure that silicone stick to it. There we go. Got an old hot glue gun. That's the best way to do this for the first time. Let's go ahead and that way it'll hold it until you can get your silicone on there. Don't have to wrestle with it. There we go. Anyway, pick you out a good silicone. If you got any gloves laying around, let me get through this chamber. I'd put some on, because this stuff can get messy. come back. I had to let this dry a little while. But anyway, we want to just mark out this cord. Leave a little bit of that so I can have something to hold on to. There we go. Alright, let's test this thing out. Let's see. 71.6. I'm sorry about that, people. I got a train yard close to my house. Just put that little clip on there to keep it from moving around. You can see it getting hot. Let's see how long it takes to heat that up. Well, you can see it's already jumping. Alright, it's been like 5 minutes and it was 71.6 at the start. And you can see that, how far it's went. Like 17, 18 degrees. And that's heating up fast. Now this is like 5 gallons of water. Alright, it's been about 10 minutes, 11 minutes. It's over 100 degrees. Yeah, I mean, these things are great for camping, or if you need just some emergency hot water, you can make them with things laying around your garage. Thought I'd just put that out there. Thank you.